Hi, I'm Frank.
And I'm Bob. And today we're doing a Yum Box, and it's business as normal. Right, Frank?
Yeah.
So what we're doing today is we're going to do the Yum Box, and when Frank tastes something, he has to try to guess something about it, like what its flavor is, what it's made from, like if it's made from potatoes or corn, or whether it has bacon flavor or whatever it may be. So the Yum Box today is from the land of palms, and it has the statue. You can't see this, but it has the statue from Rio de Janeiro on it, or from the top of that mountain. That makes it from Brazil. So from South America, I should have made you guess the country. So we're just gonna dig right in. Should we just start at the top?
Yes.
All right. So we're starting.
Where is it?
Oh,
You got it?
wait. Yes, I have to open it. So this is what we're getting, and I'll explain what it is after he guesses. These are so smashed.
New one.
No, you're gonna get.
Oh. Chip.
It's definitely a chip, but that doesn't count.
It's a chip.
I would not be able to guess this.
I have never. They don't taste like much.
You're never going to be able to guess anything on this. Is it a potato chip?
No.
All right, you're right there. Here, you drop some crumbs. I'm going to make him clean up his crumbs. Hold out your hand. Wait, one more. There you go. All right, this is ridiculously hard. Do you need a hint?
Yeah.
One of the spices is something we always cook with, but you pick it out even though it has the flavor in it.
Onion.
Ah, you got one right. All right, he got it right. It is a cassava chip. No peeking.
But I want
A cassava chip with onion and parsley. And they're really actually kind of good, even if Nicholas doesn't like them. I'm giving them a solid 7. What are you giving it?
I 4.
I can say the name of this because it's not going to help you at all. It's roasted pipacoa. Yeah, pipacoa.
Oh, I know that.
Billa.
Billa?
Dose.
Dose, isn't that 2?
Yeah,
Ooh, I know things. I know how to speak different languages. That's 2.
all right, hold out your hand. You won't. Yeah, I'll give you 2.
Ooh, look.
I'll give you 2.
What? Is it a
You don't have to look at the camera, but you have to point your head at the camera. All right, you ready?
camera there?
Yeah, sort of close.
Sorta close.
All right, come on.
What is it? Is it
I can't tell you, you're
something?
guessing.
Is it a U?
You're eating it no matter what.
Ah.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh.
Oh. Just like
I
bad
expected...
cereal.
This is not bad. You want some more?
No.
This is interesting and...
It tastes like something that's really old. It tastes like really old cereal.
Okay. You have to say one thing it is. Not bad old cereal.
You did put a lot of bad old cereal in a bag from our other video.
This is just old cereal from the cereal video?
Yeah. Answer, done.
No. You have to give a real guess.
I don't know.
It's made from a vegetable that's not a vegetable. I always say it's not a vegetable.
A carrot.
No, a carrot is it's a root and it is a vegetable.
Okay.
Corn. All right, you got one right.
Corn. Oh.
It's puffed corn.
Oh.
All right, we only have
Oh, that makes sense.
we're going with these little guys. I don't
Ooh, little. I know things that are little.
You don't know this.
How do you know that?
You don't know this at all. Here,
Maybe I
hold out
do.
your hand.
I don't.
Okay, so this is
it a...
wait. Hold up.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out what it's made from.
Bread.
No, it's not bread.
Corn.
I don't think there's any corn in it.
I'm acting like I'm looking at it. Does it look like I'm looking at it?
Well, I can't even figure out what it's made from, so...
Okay, I'm gonna eat it now.
All right, eat it.
Ugh. Ugh. Not good.
This is delicious.
No, not good. No. You forgot to rate the last one.
The last one, I'm giving it, the puffed corn, I'm giving it a 4.
I made a 5.
5? You said it was like old cereal.
Yeah, I thought it was
All right, so this is some sort of peanut candy bar, and Nicholas couldn't even eat it. I mean, Frank couldn't even eat it. Frank, definitely Frank.
You.
I always mess up. So I'm gonna have to eat his.
Oh,
Don't smash it, son.
Yeah.
All right, we have 2 sweet things left, and one not sweet thing. What do you?
Ah, found it.
There's 3 things left. Which
I want
one?
this.
Okay, that's the not sweet thing,
Oh.
and yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, weird.
Weird? I like.
Okay, so
Not good.
you have to give a guess.
It is.
Keep on eating them. Is anything happening?
Is it a shape of anything?
No, it's not a shape of anything. It's the flavor.
It's bread.
It is made from flour.
Aha!
No, but you have to guess what the spice is, because it's just one spice.
Garlic.
No.
Oh.
Is anything going on in your mouth?
No, not at all. Actually.
It's pepper flavored.
Pepper. Wow, that is.
So
easy.
right now, the peanut butter thing we couldn't guess at because I couldn't even figure out what it was at first.
Peanut butter?
The peanut butter candy that you didn't eat.
Oh.
So
I
you
did
got
eat
you
it.
you guessed one.
Oh.
You didn't guess one. We
There's
did,
peanut butter?
and so right now you got 2 wrong and 1 right. So we're going on to sweet stuff. No. Hold up. I don't mean hold up your hand. I mean get away from me. This is a lot.
Yeah. Ooh. Broken in half. Is it chocolate?
Well, you can't guess it's chocolate. It's definitely chocolate.
Okay. It has like a. It's like Twix, but without the caramel.
It's like what?
Right?
It's like what?
Twix?
Twix without the caramel. It's got some crunch to it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it to you because you guessed it was chocolate before you even like smelled it.
I know what.
So this one is Bibs, and it has little like I think the rice chunks in it. I think it tastes pretty good. This is pretty good chocolate.
It's fine.
You are spoiled. Now. No, get your. Don't hold on.
I'm confused.
All right, so what is this one?
Give me. Give me. Give me.
Patience, son.
Give me.
Wait.
Chocolate.
It's not.
How do you? I don't trust that. It's chocolate. That's chocolate. That's not chocolate. That's not.
It's good.
Yeah.
Do you need another one?
Yes.
Because I think I need another one. This one, oh, what about the other chocolate? Did we rate it?
No.
I'm rating that a 6 or a 7. This one, I'm rating an 8. And that's our video for this time.
Still didn't guess what this is.
Oh, our video isn't over. It isn't over.
Don't leave. What is it?
Delicious?
Yes. Does that count?
No. But it definitely has the flavor. It's...
The texture is like chocolate.
Yeah. But what's that flavor?
Do you?
I can read it. But I can taste it too. All right. Do you want a hint?
Uh-huh.
It has a fruit flavor to it. What fruit is it?
Tastes a little bit sweet.
It's candy!
Oh, yeah, it tastes a little bit sweeter than chocolate would be in some
But
bits.
what fruit?
I don't know. Apple.
It's
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Aha!
I don't know if that counts or not.
That counts.
All right, give me a high five.
Where's your...
All right, now our video is over. You can take it off now. You can... The light. All right, subscribe, click like. We'll see you next time. Are you gonna say stop with the candy? Stop it with the candy.
Bye.